Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and environment. Sign in to your Google Gemini account and open the photo editor. This ensures model tools are available. Once done, pick a high-resolution image of the girl for clean edits and back up the original so you can revert. Next, import or upload the photo into Gemini's workspace and let the model analyze it. This initial pass generates layers and mask suggestions, which speeds up targeted adjustments and preserves detail. Now focus on the girl's face and skin with deliberate steps. Use Gemini's auto-detect to create a face or skin mask, then refine edges with a soft brush at 10 to 25% opacity so transitions stay natural. Next, tweak exposure, contrast, and white balance to match skin undertones. Small shifts prevent plastic looks. When removing blemishes, prefer healing tools and frequency separation to maintain pores and texture. Make incremental changes, toggling the mask on and off to confirm realism. Finish by enhancing key details and exporting correctly. Apply subtle dodge and burn to eyes and lips, and sharpen selectively at about 30% strength so you don't introduce halos. Once satisfied, save a layered master file and export a flattened JPEG or PNG at maximum quality. If you encounter color shifts or banding, revert to the layered file and use selective color or LAB adjustments to fix hues. Alternatively, reduce compression or increase bit depth before export to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.